I bravely enter this world filled with infinite possibilities and happiness. I am constantly learning. Wealth constantly comes into my life. I let go of poverty thinking and I embrace the abundance thinking. I am worthy. I am receptive to all the wealth life has to offer. I am the master of my existence. I am at peace with everything I do. I am able to handle massive success with grace. I am a strong magnet to abundance and happiness. I am extremely wealthy. I pursue all of my dreams. I am deeply grateful for the wealth that keeps coming into my life. There are no limits to the amount of wealth I can own. I become better and better with each day. I have the power to reach all my goals. I am kind, loving, and caring for those surrounding me. I am calm. I have faith in my potential. I am a true friend. I am worthy of health, positive energy, and calm. My world is filled with beauty and wealth. I am an amazing human being. I am a positive person with positive feelings for myself and for others. I am vibrating with energy and love. I have the power to create a beautiful life. I am a wonderful being, and I choose to love and respect myself. I learn from everything happening in my life. I am aware that mistakes are lessons and I learn from each one. I am determined to put in all my efforts towards reaching my aims. I love and accept each thought and feeling. I reach out to everybody with love and I know that in exchange I will receive the same. I am loved and I am at peace with everything surrounding me. I am a creator of peace in my heart and in my soul. I choose to free myself from all fears and destructive doubts. I am at peace with myself and all the people surrounding me. I am open to love and happiness. I overcome any obstacle with ease and awareness. My life becomes greater and greater with each day that passes. I love and I respect my body. I am worthy of everything that is good. I am a force of creation. I am a unique blend of love and power. I am healthy and energized. The universe loves me, supports me, and brings only positive experiences into my life. I am encouraged of any success that I achieve. I am constantly learning from my mistakes. Everything that I need comes to me effortlessly, at the right time and moment. I am happy with my age. I am enough for this moment I'm in right now. All my relationships are in harmony, as my whole life is filled with appreciation and gratitude. I am beautiful on both the inside and the outside. I am aware of my faults and I choose to accept myself exactly as I am. I focus only on my life and I let others live theirs. I am talented and special. I am positive in everything that I do. I accept my uniqueness. There is no competition because we are all different, and this is how it should be. I am a special person. I love myself. Everything is well in my life. Everything that happens in my life will only show beauty and goodness. I am safe. I am a wonderful, wise, and beautiful person. I love everything I see in me. The past is gone. I stay in the present and I fully enjoy every moment. I am the creator of my own reality. I am completely open to any change in my life. I am love, light, and happiness. My future is bright. I take care of everything that I own: my mind, my body, my spirit, and my feelings. Health, vitality, and happiness are constantly surrounding me. I am completely aware of my feelings no matter the circumstances. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be respected. I deserve to live a happy life. I am worthy. I am beautiful, and everybody loves and respects me. I trust my inner wisdom. I trust my instincts. I am safe. I am fully and completely loved by those surrounding me. Loving people are present in my life, and they fill me up with balance, harmony, and optimism. I am marvelous. I am gracious. I am elegant. I am charming. I have a grateful heart that keeps attracting all the things that I deeply desire. The world is a wonderful place to be in, and I enjoy my enthusiastic journey on this planet. I am surrounded by love and joy everywhere I go. I am a creative and an innovative human being. I am happy with this process of reaching my goals. I am patient in every activity that I have. My body is healthy. My mind is brilliant. My soul is at peace. I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. I am talented, and I use this gift every single day. I forgive those who have hurt me, and I peacefully detach from them. I am a loving human being. I am guided in everything I do by courage, love, and kindness. I am brave. Creative energy surges through me and leads me to new and brilliant ideas. I am happy with my own accomplishments and with the blessings I've been given. I have an infinite potential to succeed in my life. I am courageous and I stand up for myself. My thoughts are filled with positivity and my life is plentiful with prosperity. I am aware of my habits and I constantly improve them. I am admired. Many people look up to me and acknowledge my worth. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I acknowledge my own self-worth. Everything that is happening now in my life is happening for my ultimate good. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. I am confident that every bad thing will pass and will leave me with a valuable lesson. My future is an ideal projection of what I envision now. I am supported by the universe in making my dreams come true. I am a peaceful and calm being. I am conquering my illness. My obstacles are moving out of my way. My path is carved towards greatness. I am powerful in heart and I have clarity in my mind. My fears of tomorrow are simply melting away. I am at peace with everything and everyone coming into my life. My nature is divine. I am a spiritual being. My life is just beginning. Life loves me. I am excellent in everything that I do. I use my full potential and I attract only good results. My thoughts are only thoughts, and thoughts can be changed. My mind is filled with positive thoughts, and these thoughts are the ones creating my future. I am in the process of positive change. I am comfortable looking in the mirror saying, I love you, I really love you. I forgive myself and set myself free. As I say yes to life, life says yes to me. I am able to go beyond my fears and limitations. I am divinely guided and protected at all times. I claim my power and move beyond all limitations. I trust the process of life. I am deeply fulfilled by all that I do. As I forgive myself, it becomes easier to forgive others. I am willing to let go. Deep at the center of my being is an infinite well of love. I prosper wherever I turn. I am a miracle and my life is the same.